Hi. The calendar says it's spring, but the weather has been saying it's winter. It's been so cold this weekend that I had to wear my hat and mittens again and winter coat. There are some funny people, I think they might be from Minnesota, that invented a new season, and this is what they're calling it. They're calling it sprinter. Do you see why? They've taken the spring from spring and the inter from winter to describe this season that's sort of between spring and winter. It's sort of silly, but that reminded me of a story. The story it reminded me of is Snow Rabbit, Spring Rabbit. Let's take just a little minute to look at this book. It's written by Il Sung Na, and it's called A Book of Changing Seasons. This is the front of the book, and this is the back of the book. So thinking of sprinter, that season, and taking a look at just the clue from the front of the book and the back of the book, can anyone predict what they think might be going to happen in this book? What do you think might happen in Snow Rabbit, Spring Rabbit, A Book of Changing Seasons? Let's find out. When snow falls to the ground and all the trees are bare, everyone knows it's winter, including the rabbit. He matches the snow, doesn't he? Some fly away from the cold. What kind of animals fly away from the cold? I think birds do, don't they? Ducks, they fly south for the winter. That's a question I have. Wonder if you can think of some questions. Also, you can peek for the rabbit on the pages of all of this book. Some have a long, cozy sleep where they live. Ooh, I see the rabbit. His shadow, he's poking. There's bears in this cave. I wonder what a long, cozy sleep through the whole winter is called. Hibernation. I think it's called hibernating. That's what bears do. Some swim to warmer waters. There's the turtles. And here's a silly spot for the rabbit. He's on top of a turtle. That would not really happen. While some have a thick, woolly coat, they can stay in the snow, like the lambs. And do you see the rabbit? He's there, but he's camouflaged because his white coat is hidden by the white, woolly wool of the lambs. Some gather extra food for winter. That's like these squirrels. They've got lots and lots of acorns they're gathering. I wonder let me clarify. What does gather mean? Do you think from looking at the pages of the book it means accumulate a lot? Sometimes during COVID-19, when we all have to be home, our parents are accumulating a lot, stockpiling toilet paper or gathering it up, I think. Well, some travel far to find things to eat. There's the deer. Some stay very still. This page I really like. Can you see what's staying very still? It's an alligator. And it looks like a mountain or a rock in the river. Well, some keep busy, moving fast and staying warm. There's little mice. But when the snow has melted and the trees are in bloom, everyone knows it's spring. The animals are around, including the rabbit. Wink. What happened? I wonder if you can summarize this book.